Hi everybody, it's Transita Johnson with a suspended infinity braid for today. So often requested, so I'm making an update for this braid technique. You need water, a comb and a hair tie. That's all. So I'm starting to spritz water in the front of my hair and then a bit on the top. I'm combing this inside of my hair, and the first step is to take the front section and we're going to split that into 3 strands. Try to make them as equal as possible, and we're going to do a normal, like a French braid technique. So left over the middle, right over the middle, and right goes under the left strand again, so it travels to the other side completely. Take a 4th strand now and bring it under and over, and join the 2 outer ones that I here have now on the left, and then go under the very right one. Take a 5th strand or the next strand, go again under and over, under, over, and join the 2 by the side and go under. So under, over, under, while in between you join the 2 strands. Again, take a new strand and you go under, over. So I do under, over, joining those 2, and under. This is the pattern we're going to do until the very end, or until the neck. So under, over, joining those 2 and going under again, and then taking hair from the other side. If you look carefully here, you see that I'm only braiding crown hair. I did not take from the side, in front and above my ear yet, because I think it looks neater when I first do the top hair. So again, from the right hand side, a strand under and over, joining the 2 strands by the side and going under again. Now I incorporated a bit of the hair from the front, under, over, joining the 2 strands. Comb your hair in between, going under, if that is necessary. You see, now I'm taking again a bit from the front, under, over, joining the 2 strands and going under again. I decided just to take it from the back. So under and over, joining the 2 strands, and you see the strands are getting thicker, going under again. Same thing, what we do on the left hand side, we do equally on the right hand side, so that we have the symmetrical appearance in the back, and under. Now I turn so that you can see it from behind. You see, now I take the hair over my ear, diagonally pulled to the top, just some more water, and I bring it under, over, joining the 2 outer strands, and under. I hope you can follow. Now taking the hair from the side again, you see, like a triangle. Bring the hair under, over, joining the 2 strands, and under again. Next strand. Like this. We could even speed that up now. You do it until you reach the neck, and then I show you the next steps. there's only the hair from the neck left, so I'm taking that strand, do the same pattern, under, over, joining the two outer ones, and under. Now I have only this, and like you see, I'm just bringing it the same strand around, and then I tied it off with a hair tie. Now I used hairspray and I'm pulling the outer edges gently. We don't want to over egg, we do it bit by bit on both sides equally. Use a mirror to see what you're doing in the back. And then when you have pancaked as much as you like, I like to use, like you see me doing here, a topsy tail tool, and I'm covering the hair tie. You can also use a smaller hair tie, but I like those soft ones as they do not bring me headache. Then pull it through the topsy tail, hide the end in the ponytail. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. This is the final result. Suspended infinity braid on myself. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We are here once or twice a week with a new tutorial and are happy to answer you any requests or make tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.